Do you need an approval or patent pending status on a non-provisional in order to move forward with pursuing companies for product licensing? Or is a provisional patent sufficient for that type of situation? Also, how willing or reluctant are companies generally to the idea of negotiating cost of a patent being granted to a licensing agreement? The answer is yes, you may negotiate a licensing deal even at the provisional phase. And I think it just comes with an additional risk for the licensor, which is, I always get those mixed up, licensee, I should say, the one receiving the license, because they're now kind of at a big risk of, hey, is this going to get accepted? It's likely to hire their own counsel, maybe a third party, unbiased, and do their own patent search, look at the spec really thoroughly, make sure it's something they want to get behind, and they feel like they can build a product around, because they don't know what the examiner's going to say. They just don't.
Yeah, I was thinking, like, initially, it was like, this seems like a law school question, right? Is there actual consideration here between the parties, right? Because one has like the prospect of a patent registration, and the other one presumably giving them money, right? So it's like you're bargaining for the prospect of trademark registration, right? Which I guess, that's still something.
Absolutely.
Right? May not be much, but it's something.
Yeah, I mean, think of it. This came to mind. I mean, think of it, if you've got a big chunk of land you own and you want to license the mining rights. Hey, I don't know what's down there. Good luck, right?
Yep.
I mean, obviously they're going to probably do some soil tests and they're going to do some patent research. But hey, whatever you end up negotiating, that's the deal.
That's it. That's the deal.
You can do that if that's part of the plan.
Cool.
The last part of the question is, are they going to be reluctant? Like I said, just a little more risk. And so I think it may be harder to do that. But again, if you can show, just like Shark Tank questions, right? Mike O'Leary, he's going to be, or Kevin O'Leary, what are your sales? So if you're in the market and you're making sales, that's compelling. And so they're maybe willing to take a shot on it.